Hey guys, will light bulbs be illegal someday? Stick around, I think you may be surprised. Originally we had incandescent light bulbs. They were fairly wasteful on energy, but they were reliable, gave off okay light. A drawback though, they were hot to the touch and they would burn out rapidly but inexpensive to replace. Then came along CFLs, compact fluorescent lights. They were cool to the touch, more energy efficient, however the light quality was pretty poor. Now we have LED light emitting diodes. They provide good quality light, very efficient, low energy use. They don't get hot and they last a long time. So if you have a burned out light bulb, it's pretty easy and inexpensive to just replace it. However, that may be going away soon as you may not be able to find these bulbs anymore. If you looked at the home improvement aisles, all of the light fixtures are being replaced with LED built into the light fixture themselves. In fact, I don't even think you'll be able to find traditional light bulb fixtures soon. So here's an example of a new LED light fixture. All of the LEDs and electronics are built right in, they're integral to the light fixture. You simply install it, you'll have a good quality light for many years. It's rated for up to 10 years, however, I've seen LEDs get damaged or burned out as recent as 1 year, so that could be a concern. The quality of light is pretty cool and they do stay cool to the touch. However, the drawback of not being able to be serviceable or have replacement parts is a big concern. So unlike the old light fixtures where you simply replace a light bulb, if any of this circuitry goes bad or any of these LEDs go bad, your options are to throw away the entire light fixture and install a new one. LED light fixtures are definitely here to stay in the future. They have a lot of advantages. However, if something goes wrong, you do have to throw them away and install a new one. Do you think light bulbs will be available in the future?